How to bypass character AI filter. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in order to bypass the character AI filter, you can use OOC technique. OOC means out of character technique. The out of character technique is a method of bypassing the character AI filter by framing the conversation as if you are talking to a human role playing a character. This is done by using enclose your prompt or instructions that are not part of the in character dialogue, or you can use indirect language, not being too direct to the AI filter, otherwise it will detect you or your faulty languages, and it will restrict the character AI to respond to your conversation. So you can engage in foreplay. It's another effective way to bypass the character AI filter by creating a fictional scenario. You can explore sensitive topic without triggering the filter. You can gradually use more explicit terms and phrases once the chatbot has understood your general intent. It's like playing a game with the chatbot, which you control slowly by lead it to the desired conversation. You can also create a private bot. By making a private bot and adding greeting NSFW works well for some users. So you can try these some of these techniques. Just remember to not to be very direct to the AI while talking to them. Just use words like burst or not very direct words while talking to a character AI filter. So this is basically how you will be able to pass character AI filter. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.